Hey, you're with Chris and Will here at Car Cave in Aiken, South Carolina. Website's carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. We're going to do a walk around of a 93 Honda Civic VX with lots of goodies. And the reason we brought Will in here is one, this is his flavor, and two, this is almost his car. So he did have some driving experience with it. So he'll be able to run you down on it. It is was well built. We couldn't find any rust in the thing. He's been underneath it. He's gone around it. So I'll let him explain it from here.
How y'all doing today? So this is a 93 Civic Hatch VX. It does have the Mugen R&R wheels. It does have a fully built H22 with F23 internals, Crowler, custom connecting rods, CP pistons, Skunk 2 adjustable cam gears, Crowler cams, titanium retainers, dual valve springs. It does have the Golden Eagle intake with 1000cc injectors. This does run on E85 only. It does not run on normal fuel, so keep that in mind. This was tuned in 2013. The whole build was done in 2013. This is the S2000 red. That was done in 2012. The interior.
Go ahead and open it up for him. The paintwork is pretty good. This is a fiberglass hood. You can see some stress cracking through here. They replaced it. I don't know, is that more a period correct thing, Will? Yes. That you go fiberglass and weight reduction? So with it closed, I'll grab the rod there. With it closed, you can see the fit's a little bit off. I think we tried to adjust it, but I'm gonna let him get it. So all around, the paintwork looks good. We haven't found any rust. Have you seen anything on the rockers?
I have not seen any
jams
rust this at all.
Doors are clean. Will had it up on the rack. We did a little bit of maintenance to it. Has the side exhaust. You have gauges inside. The seats were out of Integra. Yeah. Integra GS-R, was that it?
Correct.
Yeah. Dash is in good shape.
It does have the Momo steering wheel.
Yeah, Momo. Is that removable?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
It is not the modern with the little ding, but it is removable nonetheless.
So, interior is clean. Dash is in good shape. The rear seat's been removed in favor of a racing fuel cell. Like I said, the side exhaust. You go around the wheel wells. Everything's proper. You have the shut off in the rear. And what are
these? Are the Golden Eagle rear splitters.
Okay, that's right.
And it does have the Moroso power on and off.
You want to open the hatch. So, like I said, the paint works. It's not show quality, but it looks good. You can see some imperfections running across it, but this car will run out. What do we think the horsepower is?
It's closer to the 300. It does have the LSD in it, so the transmission is very, very quick. This does have the shaved tail lights here. There would be reverse lights and other brake lights. Still all functional.
And it was adult owned before this. Don't know if he was mature. But from the car, it doesn't feel like it's been thrashed on.
Right, yes.
Yeah. I think he built it.
Drive really, really good.
Our photographer came back, and he is not a front wheel drive guy, and he said, whoa, that's too much power out of a front wheel drive for me, but it has it. Everybody's been impressed. You have the rear spoiler. Tires are all in good condition.
They are of 2013, so
they're getting older,
but they do have good tread.
The color code R814.
Yeah, that is the factory. This is the S2000 Formula Red.
See a paint chip here. Yep, that was a Formula Red. You want to start it up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, turn us back on. The battery is located in the side compartment here. It's a lithium battery. Like I said, you have the side exhaust. You can hear a fuel pump kick in. She's thirsty. about how long you drove for, Will? So it has a really great sound to it on drive out. You drove for about 2 weeks?
I did.
Yeah, and then his wife broke his heart. Said he couldn't keep it. But what's good is he did a good shakedown on it. Had on the lift. We only had to do a little bit of maintenance. All around, a very sound, solid, well done build.
Very fun to drive.
And very fun to drive. It's hard to find one of these that's not inflicted with rust, that the body's straight. So it was well taken care of. Came from one of the drier climates in America. So if you have any questions, reach out. It's Car Cave USA, carcaveusa.com. My name's Chris. You got Will over here. It's 803-262-4742. If you look around, you can see our unique variety of automobiles. You got a Fulvia, an Alpha, a Type R back here, Nissan Langley, Turbo Triple S, Cortina, 2002 Ti, an RJ77, FCJ75, a Viper, a GT, Porsche 911, Ford Escort RS 2000. I want you a Delta Integra Evo, some Defenders, some Toyotas, some diesel Benz, Renault 5 GT Turbo, Isetta. Guess we got a pretty cool mix right now, don't we, Will? We do. We got Chevy 3100. We're prepping up for Christmas. We got the crew back here. Some Defender builds we're working on. Our guard dog is middle of the day, so our crew's working, it looks like. So you can see a variety of what we're doing out of our shop. Putting AC and a turbo upgrade in here. This is actually a customer's 22T RE, so factory turbo. Been doing some work to it. Defender we're working on, a diesel Pajero and a FCJ79. So we've got a lot of work going on back here. If you have any questions, reach out to us. It's Car Cave USA. Thanks.